Organizing your fabric.
First thing that I'm doing is I'm organizing my fabric into strips. I'm separating the jelly roll into those that I have 2 of each and 1 of each.
Yeah, they're here. I know. I what it is. So this one.
Okay, so things that we're going to have to capture. Fabric sorting is definitely one of them. But we will also need a block roadmap, which is outlined right here in the book. The cutting chart, all the tools that might be required, and the explanation read on video. So far, this one's big because organizing is important. You can't build structure without knowing what you got, right?
That's true. Look at the zebras, aren't they cute? You don't think my zebras are
I love
cute?
the zebras. I absolutely adore the zebras. You know what I adore more?
What?
Your excitement about the zebras.
Good job. Good job. How we doing? Need help with your colors? I got you. Okay, that's fine. I know. Sometimes it's and that's what this was
Sandy, I'm returning your order.
Louise, she doesn't know how to use a ruler. You can use any. Well,
I only use the mat, but this mat is so much fun.
it's great. Do not use the mat, use the ruler. Yeah, it has to be done.
No, but I put this online.
So you know, whatever you want. Whatever you.
Is that 3 of the same one?
They look like it.
What's your background?
2
No.
of the same one.
There you go. And then a single.
And these are 2s.
That's
What is
another.
this? This is a 2.5.
Okay, then.
Speed square. There you go.
I'm used to just a square.
Tina, you're into construction too? Check you out.
So, if you go...
That's awesome.
Hey, save a lot of money over the years.
Alright, I'll stop making you nervous. It's a good thing about class, everybody can teach each other a little bit.
Which we do.
This is a big
Look at it right here.
This is a big one.
Nice technique.
And I've got cold in here, but I think it's just me too.
So you don't flip it 180 degrees
Because you're,
from horizon to horizon. You flip it across the transverse plane.
because
This way.
if you're moving this, then everything moves.
Yes. Okay.
Keep using.
I'm gonna go show this young lady over here exactly. You're a tank, you know that?
Not really.